Hi, I'm Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you all how I currently apply a 3-ingredient clay wash on my hair. I'm starting off with hair that is 2 weeks old. I find that it is best for me to wash my hair once every week or once every 2 weeks. Right now I have a total of 30 twists on my head, and at night I like to combine my twists by placing them within a braid for a sum total of 6 braids. I find that by braiding my hair at night while styled in twists, it keeps my hair less prone to frizz, stretched, and moisturized when I do unbraid them. I also find that the braid gives my twists a nice wave/curl that I like when wearing them down. Next, I will take a scalp and hair oil that I like to rub on my hands, primarily my fingers, before unraveling the braids. The oil that I am using is a pro-growth oil blend that I picked up from TJ Maxx and HomeGoods for about $7.99. Whenever I look for oil blends, I look for the ones with minimal and natural ingredients. Some of the main ingredients within this oil blend are soybean oil, argan oil, castor oil, my personal favorite, coconut oil, and vitamin E oil. I find that when I manipulate my hair, it is less prone to breakage when there is some kind of oil coating it, and I'm all about minimizing breakage. All of my braids are undone, and as I'm parting through my hair to see if there's any dandruff, I notice there isn't much at all, which is great. But my scalp is so itchy, letting me know it's definitely time for a wash. As you can see, my hair still looks soft and somewhat moisturized, but don't let what you see fool you, because as I'm touching it, I can tell it's dry and in need of some moisture. Now it is time to apply the Arty Mix clay mask to my hair. This particular clay wash has only 3 ingredients within it: bentonite clay, Bragg's apple cider vinegar, and distilled water. This mixture is of a thicker consistency, which I did on purpose because I wanted it to be less messy for me when I applied it. I like to begin by applying the clay wash mix all over my scalp first, with my twists still intact. I find that by keeping my twists intact throughout this process, it helps me reduce tangles. Reducing tangles helps reduce single strand knots, which can then help me retain length and thickness, which is my hair goal. Using clay as an alternative to shampoo has become more popular in modern times, but it's not new. Many different cultures around the world incorporated clay within their hair routine. Various tribes in Africa use a type of clay to wash or style their hair. Moroccans would also use clay to wash their hair and body, and the ancient Egyptians used it within their hairstyling mixtures. Bentonite clay extracts any excess oils and impurities from the hair and scalp. It is a gentle exfoliator and unclogs the pores within the scalp, working as a clarifier, a cleanser, and a detoxifier, meaning the clay is actively attracting product buildup and toxins to itself. It is good to draw any products within my hair to the clay so the hair and scalp will have a clean slate once the clay has been rinsed out. Bentonite clay not only cleanses the hair, but it also contains minerals that aid in hair growth, some of which are sodium, potassium, and calcium. Sodium promotes healthy hair growth and aids in preventing dandruff. Potassium reduces inflammation and helps maintain a pH balanced scalp. and calcium can strengthen hair strands, aiding in the formation of keratin, a protein needed for healthy hair. Now that I've shared some of the benefits of a clay wash, let me continue to apply it to my scalp. Now that the clay has been applied to my scalp, I am just going through my twists and checking the roots to verify that the root of each twist has clay on it. Next, I will begin to apply the clay to the twists themselves. I like to start by applying the clay mixture on my ends first and then working my way up. Honestly though, this whole process could have been shorter if I had dampened my hair and scalp beforehand or throughout the process of actually applying the clay to my hair and scalp. But for this application, I did not want to wet my twists at all. The main reason being because I did not want the extra drip, but also because the mix is still wet enough for me and for what I'm trying to achieve, which is gently cleanse my hair with minimal ingredients and minimal mess. At this point, the clay mixture has been applied to all my twists, but not as thoroughly as I'd like it to be on some of the twists. So I'm going to gently unravel the twists in need of more clay and apply the mixture directly to my hair and retwist them back up. Because my hair is not wet, I am going extra slow during this process so that I do not cause any breakage to my hair, since the clay will eventually harden on my hair. The pro in applying clay to my dry hair is it minimizes shrinkage and minimizes tangles for me. So on this unraveled twist, I am gently using my fingers to separate my hair before applying the clay. I feel like I'm playing an instrument when I'm styling my hair, especially at this point when I unravel my twists and apply clay on it. I think viewing my hair as an instrument adds more beauty and enjoyment when taking care of my hair. So I ran out of my clay mixture, but that's okay. The clay is pretty much throughout my entire head now. I am just getting the last bit out of the bowl and applying more of it to the twists that look like they could use it. Now I will let the clay sit on my hair for about 15 to 20 minutes before washing it out so that my hair can get a nice cleanse. And then I will come back and show you what my hair looks like after the clay is rinsed out. I'm back with my hair freshly washed without any product in it. My scalp feels a lot better than it did before, and I'm happy about that. I clipped all my twists up into this blue butterfly clip, and I'm going to take it out slowly, making sure I do not snag any hair. At this point, I am just making sure all the clay is rinsed out, and it looks like it is. As you can see, my hair is shinier, darker, and much softer than it was before I even washed it. And throughout the ends, I noticed I have nice curl definition, and my twists are still in pretty good shape. They're not too frizzy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you are encouraged to try clay wash on your own hair. I will see you all soon. Be blessed and be fruitful. Bye.